everybody, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make an Easter card, and I'm using this vanilla cardstock that's cut 8.5 and scored at 5.5 and cut at 5.5 and scored at 4.25, excuse me. I've already punched out my images and colored them. I have two because I'm going to make two cards today. I hope you like them. Now I'm going to cover this paper with this image here. So I've got to get my tape out so I can go ahead and cover this cardstock. I've been away for a while because I didn't have my mojo, and then I decided to start making Easter cards, and I had a little mojo left. So I thought maybe since I was in here, I would go ahead and film so you could see it as well. On my piece of tape. And a little bit in the middle. I have this gizmo from Spellbinders, and I've lost all the pieces to them except for this one. But this is the one I need because I can level out my tape and it helps me pull it off very easily. It gets right under there and pull off the tape. And then I can add my cards, my paper, pattern paper. Go ahead and pull up all my loose ends of tape. Then I'm going to cut around it to even it off. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to add this image here to this cardstock, but I'm going to use a dolly. So first I'm going to add my dolly right here. And I have some leaves that I cut out. It has a little glitter on them. So I'm going to add a little bit of glue. I'm using Distress Medium Matte Glue. Just a little bit. I'm going to add it here. And another one I'm going to add on the other side. Okay. Now my image, I was going to put it down without it being, but I think I'll put a few dimension tape on it, dimensional tape on it. I'm going to cut it in half, what's left. So it can go on either side of the image. Backing. Then I'll pull it off and add it to my dolly. Okay, see if I can get it even here. Okay. Next, I'm going to find a saying, Happy Easter. So give me a moment. I'll be right back. Okay. I found an image from this stamp set that I think is retired now. For Happy Easter here. I didn't tell you where I got my original image from, but it's the Inka Dinka Doo image, and here it is right here, and it's called, let me see, Spiritual Sketches. So I'm going to use some Memento ink. And add it to this scrap piece I cut off from here. See if I have enough space. I think so. I'm going to add it here so it will not interfere, because I don't think let me see if I cut it off here, if I have enough space. I think it'll be all right if I did that. I'll put it up there. Add some glue to it. Okay. There we are. I'm going to add a little glitter on this image. Just on the flowers. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. It's a little bit glittery. Okay. So that is this card. And my other card, I've already placed the paper on it. And I'm going to put it this way instead of the other way. Okay, first I put my dolly on it. I'm going to put it right up here. Next, I'm going to add glue to the leaves. I'm going to put those right here. Okay. Put this one up here. And now for my image, which I'm going to add double side, well, foam tape to it. And cut this one up in the middle. Okay. See if I can center it. And there we are. Next, sorry for the shaking. Next, I'm going to add my saying, Happy Easter, the bottom here. And last, I add a little bit of bling, of glitter. Okay, and there we are. What do you think? That's the first one, and here is the second one. Tell me which one you like the best. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment at the bottom and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for joining me. Bye.